Hello students. Um Now we are going to see about the practical geometry, 8th standard practical geometry, construction of a parallelogram. So parallelogram, I know you have very familiar with the figure parallelogram. Once again we can recall what is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a four-sided plane with opposite sides parallel. Parallelogram is a four-sided plane with opposite sides parallel. So consider a parallelogram ABCD. In this parallelogram, the side AB and the side CD are parallel and equal. In the same way, the side BC and the side AD are parallel and equal. Here, this arrow. Here we have the arrows, no? So this arrow indicates the parallel sides. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. And this line, here we have this line, no? So this lines indicate the concurrent sides, concurrent or equal sides. And we have the diagonals AC and BD. The diagonals AC and BD, both the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means it will divide the line into two equal parts. So this distance and this distance will be equal. Here this distance and this distance will be equal, so that it is given the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. Also we have the opposite angles. Opposite angles means the angle A and the angle C are concurrent or equal. In the same way, the angle B and the angle D are concurrent or equal. So opposite angles are also equal. So once again, let us recall the definition. Parallelogram is a four-sided plane with opposite sides parallel. Now, construction of a parallelogram. Example 5.30. Construct a parallelogram BIRD with BI is equal to 6.5 centimeter, IR is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle BIR is equal to 70 degree. Also find its area. So first of all, you can read the problem and then draw a rough diagram. Before drawing the main diagram, you have to draw a rough diagram. So first you can draw a rough diagram BIRD and note the sides IR, RD and BD. So mark the sides, and the given measurements are BI is equal to 6.5 centimeters. So you can note down 6.5 centimeter in this side. IR is equal to 5 centimeter. So IR side you have to write 5 centimeter, and the angle BIR. BIR means in the middle part of the given letter is having the angle. So the angle must be marked at the place of I. Here we have 70 degree. So this is the way you have to draw the rough diagram. Now we can draw the main diagram. So first of all, we start with the baseline. BI is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So you can draw 6.5 centimeter. So mark this side as BI. Here you can write 6.5 centimeter. Then we have the angle 70 degree. So you can use your protractor. Keep it at the point I. Now we have the horizontal line in the left side. So you have to start counting the angle from the left side. Okay. So if the horizontal line is in your left side, you have to start from your left side. So here you can mark the angle 70 degree and mark a point and draw this line. Here you can mark X. This is the angle 70 degree, and we have the third side IR is equal to 5 centimeter. So you can take 5 centimeter in your compass. Take 5 centimeter in your compass. Keep this I point the center and draw an arc. So this is the point. This is the point R. Here you can mark 5 centimeter. So now the given measurements are drawn. How to complete this point D? How to complete? Already we know parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. So that you no need to worry about anything. Just you can take this measurement, this side measurement, and keep B as center, draw an arc. In the same way, take this side, base side measurement. Take this measurement and keep this R as center and draw an arc. Now we got the point D. This is the point D, and you can join the points BD, also RD. You can join the points BD and RD. Here you should not forget to mark down the parallel sides. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. Okay. And now one more work is there. So here this completes your parallelogram. Now we wanted to draw a perpendicular line between the two parallel sides. Either you can find out the parallel side between these two sides, or you can find out these two sides. Okay. Now let me draw the perpendicular line for these two sides, BI and RD. So you can take your protractor and keep this B as center. Take 90 degree. Take 90 degree and mark a point. Either you can take it from B, or you can take it from I, or you can take it from R, or you can take it from D. In the point length வேணாலும் நீங்க 90 degree mark பண்ணி you can draw a perpendicular line. Like this you have to draw. Okay. Here you have to measure the length only in between the two parallel sides. Here I can able to see the measurement 4.7 centimeters. Just you can note down the height as 4.7 centimeter. So this completes your parallelogram. Now let us find out the area of the parallelogram BIRD. Area of the parallelogram is given by BH square units. Just you have to remember this formula, BH square units. B means base, H means perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, that is called the height. So here in this parallelogram we have the base 6.5 centimeter. So in the place of B we have replaced 6.5 into H. H means the perpendicular distance. This is denoted as 4.7. So we can multiply this number by 4.7. So if you want to multiply any two decimals, just you remove the decimals. ரெண்டு decimal numbers வந்து multiply பண்ணோம்னா first of all அந்த point வந்து remove பண்ணிட்டு simply அந்த numbers மட்டும் நீங்க வந்து multiply பண்ணணும். multiply பண்ணும்போது you will get 3055. So அதை அப்படியே எழுதிட்டு இங்க வந்து decimalக்கு அப்புறமா we have 1 digit. இங்க decimalக்கு அப்புறமா 1 digit. So டோட்டலா decimalக்கு அப்புறம் 2 digits இருக்கு. So நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்க ஆன்சர்ல இருந்து from the right hand side leave 2 digits 1 2 digits leave பண்ணிட்டு you can mark a point here. So you will get 30.55. Here we have to replace square because the measurement is given in centimeter, so we will get the unit square centimeter. So we have the area of the parallelogram BIRD is 30.55 square centimeter. So hope you have understood this parallelogram, construction of a parallelogram. Let you try the exercise 5.5, 1, 2, 3 and 4 problems. So if you have doubts, please ask us. Okay ma'am? Thank you.